Hello learner, welcome to this module on specific multiplication techniques. In this module, we are going to learn a fastest and easiest method to multiply any number with a series of nines and series of ones. 9786 multiplied by 9999. Here the multiplier is completely nines and we are having 4 nines in the multiplier. The process is very simple. The given number, that is 9786 minus 1, so 9785. Let me write it aside. Then let me apply all from 9 and last from 10 rule on number 9786 to get the answer 0214. That's it, our answer. 210345 multiplied by 4 ones, that is 1111. With our technique, getting answer for this question is very easy. That is 5 9 2 3 9 6 3 3 2. Now let's see how to solve these kind of questions with the help of our techniques. Firstly, we will see multiplying numbers with series of nines. Here we are going to get three cases. Case 1, where the number of digits in number is equal to number of nines in the multiplier. Case 2, number of digits in number is less than number of nines. Case 3, number of digits in number is greater than number of nines in the multiplier. Let's see each case one by one. Case 1, where number of digits in number is equal to number of nines. Let's take an example. 756 multiplied by 999. So here process is very simple. First, take the given number, subtract 1 from it and write it. 756 minus 1, 755. Next process, apply all from 9 and last from 10 for number 756. So which means that except the ones place digit, rest all the digits should be subtracted from 9 and the ones place digits should be subtracted from 10. 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 10 minus 6, 4. That's all. Let me take one more example. 6548 multiplied by 9999. First process, 6548 minus 1, 6547. Next, applying all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9, 10 minus 8, 2. That's our answer. Case 2, number of digits in number is less than number of nines in the multiplier. Let's take an example. 87 multiplied by 999. Here 87 is a 2-digit number whereas the multiplier is a 3-digit number. So we had to add a 0 to 87 to make up this as 3-digit number. So process is again simple as the previous one. 87 minus 1, 86. Then applying all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 7, 3. One more example. 743 multiplied by 9999. So here 743 adding 1 0 to make up it as 4-digit number. Process 743 minus 1, 742. Applying all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5, 10 minus 3, 7. That's our answer. Case 3, number of digits in the number is greater than number of nines in the multiplier. Let's take an example. 8712 multiplied by 99. So here the method is quite different than the previous methods. Here what we have to do is 99, we have to take it as 100 minus 1. So now 8712 multiplied by 100, that is 871200, minus 8712 into 1, that is minus 8712. After subtracting, final answer will be 862488. One more example. 54367 multiplied by 999. So now 999 will be considered as 1000 minus 1. Now 54,367 is multiplied by 1000 to get the answer 54367,000 minus 54,367 into 1, nothing but 54,367. After subtracting, final answer would be 54312633. So far, we learned multiplying numbers with a series of 9s. Now we are going to learn multiplying numbers with a series of 1s. Let's take an example. 54 multiplied by 11. What is the process to solve this one? Step 1. Let's keep the rightmost digit, that is 4, as it is. Next, step 2. 4 plus 5. 9. Let's write it. Then the third step, the leftmost digit 5 written as it is. 594. That's the final answer for this question. Let's take one more example. 96 multiplied by 11. Process. First step, 6 as it is. The second step, 6 plus 9, that is 15, but we keep only 5 and 1 as a carry, because only one digit is allowed for one step. Next, step 3, 9 supposed to be written as 9 as it is, but there was a previously one carry, so total 10. So final answer is 1056. 4132 multiplied by 111. The rightmost digit or the digit in the ones place will be written as it is, that is 2. That's our step 1. Step 2, ones place plus tens place will be added. 2 plus 3, 5. Step 3, 2 plus 3 plus 1. Answer is 6. Now here in fourth step, we won't be doing 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, which means 4 digits addition we are not doing. Here the maximum digits allowed for addition is only 3. That's because here the multiplier 111 has 3 ones. So 3 digits maximum we can add in this process. So next step, we leave 2 and we start from 3. 3 plus 1 plus 4. Answer is 8. Next, leaving 3, 1 plus 4, 5. Next step, 4 as it is. So that's our answer. Here the multiplier is having 4 ones. Let's see the process. 4 will be written as it is. Next, second step, 5 plus 4, 9. The third step, 4 plus 5 plus 2. Answer is 11. 1 will be written here and 1 will be taken as carry. Fourth step, 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 carry. So 15, and again 1 will be carried forward. Here we can add 4 digits. Why? The multiplier is having 4 ones. But we can't add 5 digits because the maximum here is 4 digits. Now the next step, we leave 4 and we start from 5. Next step, 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus previous carry. So 12, again 1 carry forward. Next step, leaving 5, 2 plus 3 plus 1. So plus 1 carry, so total 7. No carry forward from now onwards. Next step, 3 plus 1, 4. 1 as it is. So this is our answer. Here in this example, multiplier is having 5 ones. Let's see how to solve this one. 1 will be written as it is as step 1. Step 2, 1 plus 3, that is 4. Step 3, 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9. Step 4, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. It will be 13, so 1 will be carried forward. So next, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 carry before, so 17, again 1 carry forward. So here maximum digits allowed for addition is 5 because the multiplier is having 5 ones. So now we have to leave 1 and next step we have to start with 3. So 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 carry. So we will write 8 here and 1 will be again carried forward. Next step, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So answer is plus 1 carry. So answer would be 15. Again 5 will be written here, 1 will be taken as carry. Next step, 4 plus 3 plus 2. So plus previously 1 carry, so 10, again 1 will be carried forward. Next 3 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 5 plus 1 carry 6. Lastly 2 as it is. So this is how simple we can solve this big looking numbers. Here is the summary of the method. Please pause the screen and go through this. Once done, then continue watching the video. So far in previous example, we have seen that the number of digits in the multiplicand is either greater or equal to the number of digits in the multiplier. But now we are going to see a case where the number of digits in the multiplicand is less than the number of digits in the multiplier. Let's take an example. 43 multiplied by 111. Here multiplicand 43 is having 2 digits and multiplier 111 is having 3 digits. Before solving question, we have to make a little adjustment here, that is 43 should be made up for 3-digit number by just adding a 0 to it. So now it's ready to solve. First step 3 as it is. The second step 3 plus 4, 7. The third step 3 plus 4 plus 0, again 7. Now next 4 is the leftmost digit, right, as it is. So that's our answer. Let's see one more example. 54 multiplied by 4 ones. Okay, so first what we had to do, 54 we have to make it up for 4-digit number, just adding 2 zeros to it. So now it's ready to solve. 4 will be written as it is, step 1. Step 2, 5 plus 4, that is 9. Step 3, 4 plus 5 plus 0, again 9. Step 4, 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0, again 9. Now leaving 4, we start from 5, but there are no other numbers, the valid digits after 5. So 5 is the leftmost digit. Let's write 5 as it is. So that's our final answer, 59,994. In this question, the multiplicand is having 3 digit, whereas the multiplier is having 5 digit. So we have to make up multiplicand for 5 digit by adding 2 zeros to it like this. Next, the process is simple. 4 will be written as it is. Second step 4 plus 1 5. Third step 4 plus 1 plus 3 8. Fourth step 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 0 8 again. Then fifth step 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 again 8. Next, leaving 4, we start from 1. 1 plus 3 4. Then 3 is the leftmost digit. So write as it is to get the final answer. In this module, we have seen a simple and fast technique to multiply any number with a series of 9s or with a series of 1s. Hope you found this video interesting and useful. Please consider spreading the knowledge by sharing with your people. See you in the next video. Thank you.